So what's up, guys? I got my BOYI GMK67 mechanical keyboard, and this is a keyboard that you can completely customize. So let's open it, let's take a look on it, let's see how it works, okay? Okay, so let's take a look on it. Let's open it. Let's see how it comes. Okay, this is the manual, I believe. Okay, so this is the keyboard. Okay, I'm gonna take this away so I have more space to work with it. This. Right, so nice. Okay, so it has 3 connection modes. This keyboard. It has a 3000 mAh battery, which is perfect for traveling. Okay, long-lasting batteries. I just connected to my computer to see how it works. This keyboard has an amazing RGB backlit with 18 lighting modes. Has a 66 key custom kit. Has a hot swap socket and gasket extractor plate. It's programmable, so you can customize this keyboard. You can customize the backlit, the speed, the brightness, and the mode. This I like it that it's really soft, but still it's ergonomic. Okay, if you definitely are looking for something new with customization, you should get this BOYI keyboard. You will get a refreshing new keyboard with clicks and sounds of your choice. So it's extremely good choice for you.